How to join absolute and relative URLs. I have two URLs. How can I get an absolute URL for URL 2?
You should use URLParse.URLJoin. With Python 3, where URLParse is renamed to urllib.parse, you could use it as follow.
If your relative path consists of multiple parts, you have to join them separately, since URLJoin would replace the relative path, not join it. The easiest way to do that is to use POSIXPath. See also, how to join components of a path when you are constructing a URL in Python.
You can use reduce to achieve Shakar's method in a cleaner fashion. Note that with this method each fragment should have trailing // with no leading // to indicate it is a path fragment being joined. This is more correct / informative, telling you that path 1 / is a URI path fragment, and not the full path, for example /path1/, or an unknown, for example path1. An unknown could be either, but they are handled as a full path. If you need to add to a fragment lacking it, you could do. To learn more about URI resolution, Wikipedia has some nice examples. Updates. Just noticed Peter Perrin commented about reduce on Shakar's answer, but I'll leave this here then to demonstrate how that's done. Updated Wikipedia URL.
For Python 3.0 plus the correct way to join URLs is
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.